Tradespace. Tradespace has three related meanings. Multiple trade spaces of context type 2 or 3, above, may aggregate to form larger trade spaces of the same type. Merging trade spaces of both types, 2 and 3, results in an ecosystem. Distinctions between trade spaces and ecosystems include: the term trade space has the following trademark registrations against it. Bibliography. Expanding the trade space, an analysis of requirements trade-offs affecting system design. Major Mark W. Brantley, USA, LTC Willie J. McFadden, USA, and LTC Mark J. Davis, USA, Ret. Multi-attribute trade space exploration as front-end for effective space system design. Adam M. Ross, **, Daniel E. Hastings, and Joyce M. Warmkessel, MIT, and Nathan P. Diller.